Alright, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our TensorFlow course and we're still doing our human emotions detection module. Let's have a look at what we went over today. Unfortunately, I do have some news that's not going to sit too well with me. I don't know about you, but yeah. So unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to use the notebook as of now to follow along with the instructor in the Jupyter notebook. Let me give you a look over here at my notebook. So apparently I can't import the TensorFlow inside of Jupyter Notebook. I don't know why. As you can see here, this is the error I'm getting. I've tried it many different ways. This isn't the actual file we're in. This is a new file I tried to create using some workaround that I came across. That didn't work either. So yeah, the main file couldn't import TensorFlow, so I started a new one. I tried to work around inside my Anaconda prompt to import TensorFlow over there. So it worked. It installed and everything. I just can't import it over here. This is the whole error message here. So I'm not exactly sure why we're getting it, why we can't import TensorFlow. I thought it was a common library package inside of Python, which we're using. So I'm not sure with that, but unfortunately, we won't be able to use the Jupyter Notebook as of now to follow along with the human emotions detection. So we're just going to keep on moving forward with the VS Code. This is where we're at today. So we did modify our code a little bit. We chopped off some of those parameters and we modified some of the parameters that we already have. You can see now we have a class names and we have 99 for C. Shuffle, everything else is generic the way it came. We still have our trained data. Let me show you the class names. Got initialized here. It's a list. So it's going to be angry, happy, sad. Those are the classes that we have. And everything is pretty much the same. So yeah, well, it's a pretty buggy morning. Not only did I have an issue with the Jupyter Notebook and TensorFlow, but I've been working on the two side projects. Well, it's two now. I didn't inform you, but it is two side projects now that I'm having an issue with. I expected to have issue with those because I am trying them on my own, and it's the first time trying them. So yeah. So with the visual question answerer, I got everything downloaded, but for some reason it's still having a hiccup running. I'm not sure exactly why as of yet. So I do have some feedback on that. I'm going to look over and see, read the documentation deeper, and then see what's going on with that. And then I started a second project here, similar to the visual question answerer, but this one instead is going to when we ask it a question, it's going to give us feedback, and then it's going to tell us a new piece of information about the picture or image that we provided. So not only will it answer a question for us, but it's going to provide additional feedback once we get everything up and running. So yeah, that's what we've been doing. I've been doing this mostly a majority of the morning, the visual question answerer, waiting to get those downloads, those installs downloaded. Finally got all 7 of the modules downloaded, and then I started building this one. And then I tried to run a visual question answerer, like I said, and still ran into a hiccup. So we'll come back to that and see exactly what's going on. But the TensorFlow, everything is good. It's just that we can't use it inside of our Jupyter notebook. So yeah, we're just moving forward with the VS Code. So it's not really a big issue. It's what we've been doing. So it is what it is. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, it's the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.